Start. Learned counsel for applicant has supplied certified copy of the judgment and order dated 24/11/2020 passed by Principal Judge Family Court Kanpur Nagar in matrimonial case number 2413 of 2019 so and so versus Srimati Pratibha Tripathi under section 13B of Hindu Marriage Act, which is taken on record. Stop. Pehra. This application under section 482 CRPC has been filed challenging charge sheet dated 14/11/2016 submitted in case crime number 500 of 2016 under sections 498A 323 504 506 IPC and sections Dowry Prohibition Act PS Bada District Kanpur Nagar as well as entire proceedings of consequential case number 7247 of 2017 State versus Nagendra Swaroop and others now pending in the Court of Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Kanpur Nagar. Stop. Pehra. It transpires from record that in respect of an incident which is alleged to have occurred on 5/6/2016, a delayed FIR dated 24/6/2006 was lodged by first informant / opposite party to Srimati Pratibha and was registered as case crime number 500 of 2016 under sections 498A 323 504 506 IPC and sections Dowry Prohibition Act PS Batra District Kanpur Nagar. Stop. In the aforesaid FIR, 5 persons, namely Nagendra Swaroop, Srimati Meera Tripathi, Murlidhar, Usha and Aradhana, have been nominated as named accused. Stop. Pehra. Pursuant to aforesaid FIR, investigating officer proceeded with statutory investigation of concerned case crime number in terms of chapter 12 CRPC. After completion of investigation, investigating officer on the basis of statements of witnesses examined under section 161 CRPC and other material collected during course of investigation which is substantially adverse to applicants opined to submit a charge sheet. Stop. Accordingly, investigating officer submitted charge sheet dated 14/11/2016 whereby named accused have been charge sheeted under sections 498A 323 504 506 IPC and sections 34 Dowry Prohibition Act. Stop. Pehra. During pendency of above noted criminal case within bracket 3, informant opposite party to Srimati Pratibha and accused applicants Nagendra Swaroop, Srimati Meera Tripathi, Murlidhar, Usha and Aradhana amicably settled their dispute in mediation proceedings held at Mediation and Conciliation Center Kanpur Court. Stop. On the basis of settlement so arrived at between the parties compromise letter dated 23/9/1999 was forwarded by Mediation and Conciliation Center Kanpur Court to the court where above mentioned criminal case is pending. Stop. According to the terms of settlement arrived at between applicant. Stop. I am opposite party to who are husband and wife. It was agreed that marital relationship between parties be terminated. Accordingly, a suit under section 13B of Hindu Marriage Act agreed to be filed. Stop. Applicant I was required to pay permanent alimony to the tune of rupees 650,000 as per schedule of payment mentioned in compromise letter dated 23/9/2019. Stop. Parties further agreed that criminal proceedings initiated shall be got terminated in the light of compromise. Stop. Learned counsel for applicants contends that pursuant to above suit number 2413 of 2019 versus Srimati Pratibha Tripathi under section 13B of Hindu Marriage Act was filed before court below and same has been decreed void judgment and decree dated 24/11/2020. Stop.